Bansari Swaraj, a member of parliament, visited Sri Vinayak Mandir in Sarojini Nagar, Delhi. During her visit, it was conveyed that her engagement with local religious and community events reflected her commitment to grassroots outreach. The significance of Sri Vinayak Mandir as a prominent religious site was emphasized, and it was noted that such visits are often part of MP's efforts to connect with the constituents, support local traditions and participate in cultural and religious activities. Additionally, it was remarked that this visit resonated with her broader political image as she continues to follow in the footsteps of her late mother, Sushma Swaraj, who was known for her accessibility and close ties to the public. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చావు ఇక్కడ అవునా థ్యాంక్ యూ ముందు చెప్పాలి కదా